Hi everyone, my name is Chef Jeremy Lovell and today I'm going to share a special recipe with you guys. Today we're going to show you all, well, I'm going to show you all how I do my curry goat. Right, we're going to start with our seasonings. Three pimento, 3 garlic, 3 onions. We try to season with our green seasonings first and allow to marinate. In the marinade process, I like to add a little oil, mustard oil. Right, I prefer to use mustard oil. Now you all could use vegetable oil if you want, but I prefer to use mustard oil because of the flavor. The reason for the oil, that oil helps marinate the meat a little better. I think that it allows the meat to absorb all the flavors that you add, that you season your meat with. Right, we're going to add our Geera powder, 2 curry powder, 3 tablespoons, 3, Chive, 3 tablespoons, 3, and of course our Chadon Beni, 3 tablespoons, 3, bay leaf, salt to taste, and black pepper. We mix and we allow to marinate for at least 4 hours or overnight. So now that our goat is properly marinated, we're going to start the process of actually currying the goat, right? So I like to add a little Geera first. So we're going to patch the Geera. You know, patching the Geera means you're toasting the Geera seeds, bringing out all the flavors of the Geera seeds, and also you're making it a little more pliable when cooking. Because if you don't patch it, you will taste the graininess of the Geera seeds. So we don't want that. And you won't get as much flavor out of the Geera seeds as if you didn't, versus not patching it. So we patch it first, and then we add our oil and our garlic, our whole cloves of garlic, to fry the garlic in the oil to bring out that nice garlicky flavor. While patching the Geera, you're going to hear the Geera seeds pop a little bit, and that's normal. Right, we're going to add our mustard oil. Again, I prefer mustard oil, but you all could use normal vegetable oil. I prefer the flavor of that mustard oil brings to the curry dishes. Right, we're going to add our cloves of garlic. Let the garlic caramelize a little bit. So just let the oils bring out the flavor of the garlic. Then we add a little pimento, 3 tablespoons. Onions, 3 tablespoons. And then we're going to add our curry powder. I like to hydrate my curry powder before I add it to my Chunkay ingredients, because I think that it helps keep away from the graininess of the curry powder. So you're going to add our curry powder, let our curry powder cook a little bit first before we add our marinated goat. We add a little water. We let our curry powder cook for about 3 minutes or so. Right, we let it cook until we start to see it stick to the pot, and we see it start to turn a little brown, and then we add our curry goat. Right, now we add our curry goat. And of course our hot pepper. We stir. And we cover to allow the goat to spring its own liquid, and then we come back. Right. Now that we have allowed our goat to cook a little bit, and spring its own juices, because it's important for, the meat to spring its own juices before we add water, because you don't want the meat to kind of boil in water. You want it to cook in its own juices. This adds the flavor and overall end the product. So now we add a little water. And we allow the goat to finish and then serve.